So a common thing that people say today is that, oh, you need 16 gigs of RAM to really have a good gaming computer. And well, I don't know if that's true.
Today we're going to be talking about how to pick a power supply and why I suggest this one.
Logitech touts this technology as a premium feature only for its highest end webcam. Where'd my arm go? Oh, there it is. Oh, but now there's a light. Hold on, let me just move this. Oh, okay. It's gone.
Sharpen any video I shot with this and picture. I always have to sharpen.
140 millimeter. 200 millimeter.
This is going to be great.
What is this, a video card for ants? A real one has to be like at least 3 times this size.
Then, what you can do is you can play this.
Just how to build one yourself.
How cheap?
I don't remember.